does pending mean on a house? And what does contingent mean, and do they mean the same thing? That's what we will be discussing today. So stay tuned, and I will see you soon. Pearl Alquist Ruby, American River Properties. If you like my videos, please like, share, and subscribe. I need subscribers, guys. Thank you, and have an amazing day. What is pending, and the meaning of contingent? So pending means that the seller has chosen an offer to sell his property, and it is now pending sale. Contingent, every offer is contingent. It's contingent upon inspections. The offer is contingent upon the appraisal coming in. The offer is contingent upon you getting financing. But the most important contingency is when the seller has a contingency to sell his property. That means that he has put a contingency in that he must find a replacement property that is suitable. You may do all of the inspections, get the appraisal back, and be ready to close, and the seller has not yet found a property, so therefore you cannot close. So that's one way that a contingent sale can backfire. Another way is if you have your house on the market for sale, and a buyer comes along and says, I really want to buy your house, but I must sell my house first. So there's a few things you need to make sure of before you accept an offer like that. Number one, do they have the house on the market? Number two, is it priced competitively? Number three, is it a house that's going to move quickly? Number four, is it listed? Is it on the market? So some very important things to make sure of before you accept a contingent offer. Now, for a buyer, if you are in escrow on your house and you're trying to buy another house, make sure that all of the contingencies are removed except for the loan. That way, the buyer isn't backing out, and when you find your home and you put an offer in on it, you can successfully do your inspections and close that transaction. I hope this information is helpful to you. Please subscribe. Thanks.